Good evening. This is going to be another Moringa Monger recipe series, new recipe for guava jelly. I've already have my guavas cut up in quarters and skinned, and this is the basic ingredients that's going to go in it. You have a small orange, some lemon, some lime juice, and about a quarter cup of brown sugar. But the first process is going to be adding these guavas and get them up to a boil and let them simmer until they get soft, and then we're going to go ahead after that and strain out the seeds and the pulp, and then that's going to be the second process, where we'll be right back after we boil this and we'll show you the rest. There we go. You know, just bring that to a boil in water, all your guava, and then the rest of the ingredients are going to go in on the second process. We'll be right back. So sometime in the boiling process, while you're boiling your guava, you want to take this and go ahead and smash them up so they cook, mix up a little better. It just helps them cook a little faster. Smash them all up, and then you're going to want to let them go ahead and keep boiling at a light, slight boil. See where it's barely boiling? Just simmer that a little while longer. And then on the next process, we'll come back and we get to strain this, and then there'll be another simmer process where you add the orange juice, lime juice, and lemon juice, along with the brown sugar, and that lets it start to set up as it's simmering. And we'll be back to show you the rest of the process. Back now, once we have the guava pulp strained, we're going to set this aside, and you're going to put the strained liquid from the guava. Should be mostly juice. All the seeds have been strained out. And we're going to add our brown sugar, quarter cup of brown sugar, and add our citrus, which is going to be the orange, lemon, and the lime. Ends up roughly about 3/4 of a cup of the citrus juice mixed in, and we'll get that back up, leave it on medium for roughly another hour. Keep an eye on it until it gets to that boils down and evaporates, and it gets the consistency of a jelly. And we'll be back to show you this finished product in the taste test. We're back with our finished product, guava jelly. And when you get this consistency, right here, you have your jelly. And then you can go ahead and transfer it into a nice jar here. Oh yeah. That is the guava jelly. You gotta get it right there. Get the rest of that out. There you go. The guava jelly.